Hey everyone, I'm back today with what's going to be a quick unboxing video. I believe that this box contains a Chase Ritz-Carlton Rewards Card. The Ritz-Carlton card is being canceled due to the merger of SPG and Marriott and the resulting kerfluffle with American Express and Chase cards. So I had a Chase Marriott card, which I was able to call in earlier this week on Monday. Today's Thursday, so that was just 3 days ago. I called in and asked to product change to the Ritz-Carlton card before it was canceled forever, which I believe is going to happen on February 12th. The 11th or 12th should be the last day that I think you'll be able to do that product change to get this card. So it came today from UPS in this box. I have tried to cover up any identifying information about myself or my address. So let's get in here and see what it looks like. All right. It opens like this. All right. The Ritz-Carlton Rewards. So this box is bigger than the box that the American Express Platinum cards, or at least the Ameriprise card that I've got, came in. This is a little bit fancier looking, at least on the outside. So kind of. Okay, so I cut away there for a minute because when I opened it, the card was right here. It looks like maybe that it had fallen out from this spot right here. So I have the card, and then I had an authorized user card as well. So 2 cards came in here, but this is what it looks like. The Ritz-Carlton Rewards. Very similar to the Marriott Premier card that I had. It just says Ritz-Carlton Rewards instead. So you got a little note here from the general manager at JP Morgan and the vice president for financial partnerships at the Ritz-Carlton Rewards, talking about how what an amazing partnership we're going off on here, and a special class of travel. So over here on this side, you have some literature with some information about the benefits of the Ritz-Carlton card, and then quite a thick book of terms and conditions. And I think you can see most of these photos on the website because they look kind of familiar to me. And then an envelope that I'm not going to bother reading right now of terms and conditions. And it looks like that's what we got in the box. So the Ritz-Carlton card is going away. It had some benefits that were pretty good. A $300 annual travel credit that's, from what I've heard, just like the CSR, and then complimentary airport lounge access with priority pass. This actually, this card still has the good priority pass that actually gets you unlimited guest in. The Chase Sapphire Reserve used to have that benefit, but they took it away. Or actually they downgraded it where you can only get 2 guests per visit. So this one is still probably the best priority pass that you can get with a credit card. And then you get automatic Gold Elite in Ritz-Carlton, which is the same as Marriott. And I don't know if I see it on here, but on your account anniversary, you get a 50,000 point room reward certificate. So that was something that was added last year. So that's one of the main reasons that I wanted to product change to this card while it was still available, because after the annual fee, when you take out the $300 annual travel credit, and then you get the 50,000 point night reward, I think it's kind of a wash, and it's a pretty good card to hold on to. So that's just been a quick unboxing of the almost dead Ritz-Carlton Rewards Card by Chase.